Hey, Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Today we have a DIY plane model kit. This is a pack of 100. So there's 10 different styles. And this is pretty cool. It's kind of like it's a pop-up display case as well. So that kind of, I guess it kind of goes back like that. So pretty neat. So these are all, like I said, there's a bunch of different styles in here. So I'm going to try to find all the different ones and we'll put them together. But they're pretty simple. So let's open up this pack. You ready? And they fly too. Pretty cool. Yeah.
Mine.
Okay, that's yours. So that's kind of like the pack. And then you're basically just popping the pieces out. Then that is the nose piece. So it goes in like that. So it's kind of like weighted. And then you have a little piece in here that you got to pop out. And then that's where the wing goes. And then we pop the wing out. So wing goes in like this. And you just kind of like pull it in through.
Can I help?
I know, hang on.
Some?
Yep, hang on. Just kind of like work it in there. And then I'll kind of like hold it in the middle. And then there's a tail part that unfolds. And then same thing, it's got a little cutout as well in the back. And then they kind of work it in as well.
Meow.
Okay. And then that is your plane complete.
See?
You see it? Okay. All right, I guess we can put it like this. No, just like this. Okay, just like that. So it fits in there like that. Pretty cool. All right, let's make another one. Yep. That's it. Let's make. You want to make this one? It's fire red. Oh, you sneezed. Bless you.
Race.
Okay, so we'll take this little piece out, and then that little. Okay, these are race planes.
Help.
Here. Help, you want to get down? Okay. So again, this one, same thing. Kind of work the wing in there. And then that is your nose. Weight to it. Let's get the little tail out. We'll get that in. Okay. All right, here we go. Are you flying? Grab that one. Grab that for Gur. All right, ready? No, like this. You gotta hold it like this. See how I hold it?
Help. Hi there.
Okay, go get him.
Help.
Okay, and these are some of the styles. There's like a bunch of different styles, so you can kind of see. But anyway, lots of fun. Brian and Aiden from Garage Mahal. Thanks for watching, and be safe out there. Here, throw that one. Ready? Go ahead.